Sonnet 4.6, within 1.2 points of Opus on swe-bench, 40% cheaper per token. Every article says 5x cheaper. They're wrong, that's old Opus 4.1 pricing. But here's the twist, I tested both on 3 identical tasks. Opus was cheaper not per token, per task. Bug fix, both nailed it, 33 seconds versus 28, same diff, same cost, tie. Feature implementation, this is where it gets ugly. Sonnet 95 seconds, 21 turns, 67 cents, it kept iterating, fixing, retrying. Opus 54 seconds, 9 turns, 33 cents, half the turns, half the cost, Opus planned once and executed. Refactoring, Sonnet 133 seconds, 68 cents. Opus 99 seconds, 55 cents. Both had 4 test failures, but Opus finished faster and cheaper, again. 3 tasks total, Opus $1.09, Sonnet $1.58. The model that costs more per token cost less per task, 31% cheaper. Fewer turns, fewer tokens, gets it right without brute forcing. Extrapolate to a real workday, 20 tasks, 22 working days. Opus $158 per month, Sonnet $233 per month, $75 saved on API. But on a max plan, both free, default to Opus, seriously. Subscribe if you want more head-to-head tests like this.